My name is Poko. I am a female dog. Please play with me. Cause Phil. Okay, so here is my dog food. You can see here. Oh my gosh. Why I have to take this out? It's my fault. I don't know these creatures. Just have to put. Okay. Poko, you're so dirty now. You have to be ready for this video. Now wipe yourself. You have to be clean now. No, clean, 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 clean. Don't be naughty, Poko. Okay. Wipe yourself now with this. Wipe now. Okay, cute. I'm sorry, guys. My phone dropped from up here. Oh my gosh. Sorry, Poko. Why did I scare you? So this is my dog's food. Why can't I open this? Yay! Come on! Nom nom nom. This is a gold jerky for. Come on, show your face. This is a gold jerky for Poko. And here's a dog here. Is it Lucy? Oh no. Beef, liver, fish, cheese, milk, and chicken. So we took beef because you can see it's stickier because my dog like beef, not cheese. Oh, so this is a gold jerky. So I'm gonna show you the gold jerky. So this is the gold jerky. So you can see gold jerky on this packet, and they say plus plus blah blah. Okay, so this is gold jerky. Oh my gosh. This is gold jerky for my dog. She used to eat this one day once because I don't know. Teddy bear. Hi. This is my dog's food, and you can see a hole. You can see the food here. You can see it all. Poko, look at. Okay, so this plate. This is my dog's food. As you can see, this plate, it comes with this water. See, it's matching. Hee. And here's a teddy bear. So a two-sided teddy bear. So this is my beautiful dog's food. And this is my dog food. Looking beautiful. Ew, it looks like, I don't know what it looks like, but it's, I don't know. Oh my gosh. Don't sleep in this video, please. People don't think you're cute. If you sleep, you're not cute. You are so ugly, you know. Oh my gosh, water gonna spill. Look at this now. Look at the water spilling. Spilling from here. Shaken. Good girl. Hey, where are you looking? Are you? lock the gate. You're in the jail now. No, just kidding. Hey, you're not a girl now. No, just kidding. You're in a jail now. No, just kidding. You're in a jail now. No, just kidding. You're really in a jail now. Lock. No, just kidding. Lock. You're in a jail. Police, if you get out from here, police gonna catch you. No, just kidding, my little dog. Don't cry. Don't even have a tears on your eyes. Don't. So, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, comment, and likes. So thanks for watching my video. So please subscribe, comment, and like. So bye. See you in the next video. Maybe the video. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, comment, and like. Bye. See you in the next video. What just happened? Wow, look at the beautiful beauty here. Wow. No, beauty is gone. Bye.